Well, good morning and welcome to my studio. Getting ready to teach my second session of our mixed media tempered glass mosaic workshop, and we'll be using No Days heat set adhesive. Last night, all of the students, 9 students, set their substrate, kind of mixed media using lots of papers, glitters, paints. They did it all kind of in a decoupage style. And then today we'll set our crash glass, our tempered glass, on top of these beautiful, beautiful creations that they did on their substrates. The crash glass or tempered glass will be heat set with No Days adhesive, which is one of my favorites. It melts and then cools and dries perfectly clear, which is really important for tempered glass mosaics. You want it to be perfectly clear. So we'll finish setting and adhering with our No Days today. And then tomorrow we'll grout, and I'm teaching all my students how I tint all the grouts. So we may have purple grout or pink grout or turquoise grout, and they will be finished tomorrow. And I promise I'll post lots of pictures of their creation.